Google executives reportedly told employees that the company does not plan to launch a chatbot to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT because it's a reputational risk. To understand this better, have a look at Meta's BlenderBot 3, which made controversial and untrue statements. That's because it gives answers by searching the internet. Even OpenAI is aware of this, so they trained it only with filtered data, and it gives answers from the data set which is limited to 2021. And also, Google already experienced the drawbacks of its LaMDA, so they don't want to take any risk. Speaking during a recent all-hands meeting, Google's head of AI, Jeff Dean, said despite having artificial intelligence technology products and capabilities, the company has to make decisions more conservatively than a small startup. His remarks came in response to a question from an employee about whether failing to make a rival chatbot would be a missed opportunity. There is a significant difference between ChatGPT and Google Search. Both are valuable tools for gathering information. But a web browser is not what ChatGPT is. It is unable to search the internet for content on the subject you are looking for. And it is useless if you are trying to find precise details like, for example, a restaurant's hours nearby. Both ChatGPT and Google may offer information on more broad themes like history, science, or recipes. However, ChatGPT really shines when it comes to information sharing conversationally and detailed discussion of issues. And also its ability to answer technical questions is mind-blowing. In a technical sense, it can outperform Google. ChatGPT can write codes in numerous languages, discover errors, and provide an explanation. It surpasses Google in its capacity to respond to technical queries. But we must not forget that Google is also working on a related language model known as LaMDA. In some of its responses, ChatGPT displayed biased behavior, harmful instructions, and plausible-sounding but wrong or illogical answers. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has also acknowledged ChatGPT's limitations, tweeting on December 10, "ChatGPT is incredibly limited but good enough at some things to create a misleading impression of greatness. It's a mistake to be relying on it for anything important right now. It's a preview of progress. We have lots of work to do on robustness and truthfulness." As more than 1 million people have been talking to ChatGPT, they've been impressed with the AI's ability to generate text and fix code, as well as answer questions. Google Search has its own advantages, specifically the amount of data they have and the broader resources they have to collect data. In addition to LaMDA, Google's BRT and MUM AI language models, which are used to improve its search engine, are competitive with ChatGPT. MEM, which stands for Multitask Unified Model, can understand information from different mediums, like from a web page and from a photo, to give users an answer. So Google is not afraid or worried about ChatGPT, at least for now, because they have LaMDA, and they want to make a clean and perfect debut in the market. Blake Lemoine stated in a tweet that despite all the chatter about ChatGPT, Google's advanced dialogue system is still years ahead of others. But remember, OpenAI will soon launch GPT-4. So do you think ChatGPT can outperform Google with GPT-4? Let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching. See you soon.